I'm Lily.
And this is Cooking with Maeve.
And Lily.
And sometimes Colin. So today we're cooking a very easy family favourite of meatballs with beef and pork mince, a very simple tomato sauce baked in the oven and served with spaghetti. And I've got my two little apprentices to help me. How do we make the tomato sauce, mate?
You will need an onion.
Chopped.
You'll need some herbs. We've got some basil,
Yeah.
some rosemary, and some
Tarragon.
tarragon.
That's a hard one.
2 tins of tomato sauce.
Yeah, beautiful. So we got our tomatoes, our water. Then what do we do? Add our onions and our garlic. Pinch of salt, very important.
For seasoning and some pepper.
How long do we cook this for, Maeve?
You put it on the stove for 30 minutes on low.
So there you go. Onto the stove for 30 minutes. Okay, so we're making herbed meatballs. What do we start with?
You want to put some pork mince.
Yeah, beautiful.
Then you want some beef.
Some beef mince, so half beef, half pork. You don't have to use pork.
You can use whatever mince you want.
Very good, Maeve. You can choose lamb if you want. So what's this?
Sweated onion.
And garlic. So we chopped an onion, 4 pieces of garlic. We sweated it in olive oil with a little bit of salt and pepper.
Then you want to add your egg.
Well, I did the messy bit. You pick the herbs. We're going to add some herbs because it's a herbed meatball. I add a little bit of breadcrumbs. It just soaks up. What do we do now, Pilstar?
So then you get the tray.
Yeah.
Make golf ball size meatballs.
Rough and ready. It's a bit like Maeve. Right, so get them into the tray.
You want to spread them out.
Okay, so we got our tomato sauce off the stove. We've made our meatballs. Golf ball size. What do we do next, Maeve?
So you want to get your tomato sauce and you want to try and get less liquid and more of the things in it.
You want lots of cheese on there, so that's going to caramelise when we cook it. So this goes in the oven for how long?
1 hour.
At?
180.
Okay, so our meatballs have been in the oven for an hour. The sauce is beautiful and reduced. Let's plate up. So that's our very easy baked meatballs and tomato sauce with spaghetti. Maeve, how's your meatballs?
Good.
What would you score it?
9.
A 9?
Yeah.
Well, I'd go a 10 myself, and I'm the judge.